Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the area of this one. The first thing we need to graph about the function. So the graph should be like this. So we have the function, and this one, the line in here, that is about y equals to number 0. So the area we need to find, that is about this one. So we need to set up about the interpretation. The first thing, we need to find the intersection in here and here. So we have y and y. So we have s squared minus 14s equals to number 0. So we calculate this one and we got s equal to number 0 and s equal to number 14. So we have the area that should be about the interpolation from 0 to number 14. So we have the upper function minus the lower function. So the upper function, that is about y equals to number 0. The lower function, that is about this one. So we put the negative go outside. The integration of s squared, that is about s to the power of 3 over 3. This one, that is about s squared over number 2. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 14. So we put number 14 cone here, number 0 cone here. Negative and negative, we have positive. So we calculate this one and we have 1372 over number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.